Buenos días, niños. Les habla mi Jaramillo. Que tengan un lindo martes. Ojalá les vaya muy bien. Unos recuerdos están a nivel cero. Por favor, ven el video de hoy que estoy haciendo. Pues, el Brain Pop hacen las actividades de matemática. Y les muestro todo eso en un momento. Y si se portan bien, van a poder jugar juegos. Y ojalá tengamos un día muy bueno el viernes cuando yo vuelva. So, vamos a repasar la lección de hoy. Ayer estábamos enfocándonos en dos maneras de multiplicar, the two different fact families for multiplication. 7 groups of 10 is going to look different than 10 groups of 7, but they are going to equal the same thing. Just a reminder from yesterday. We're just going to do a couple so that this will be short. You have practice problems like this on your Schoology for today. So I'm going to go over a couple. It says multiply 3 by 5. So remember, what I love us to do is to write our groups on top of our groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 groups of, and let's find what's in each. 1, oh, I don't like that color. Let me try a different color. 1, 2, 3 of 3. So remember that when I write that as a multiplication sentence, I'm going to 5. I'm going to write my groups under here of 3, and 3 is my each. And what I'm looking for is my total. That's what I'm looking for, my in all. So what I can do to help me do this is I can do my skip counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. That would be counting by threes, which is a little bit difficult, but I know that when you guys practice it, it's going to get better. The other thing I can do is I can do my repeated addition. So remember, if I have 5 groups, I'm going to have 5 threes. And I'm going to show that in my repeated addition. I have 1 3, 2 3s, 3 3s, 4 3s, 5 3s, and that'll equal 15. We have 15 muffins in all, 15 muffins total. Awesome. So there we go. We know that one. Let's go to the next one. Multiply 6 by 4. So they're not going to necessarily have this in order for you. I don't want you to just guess 6 times 4 because that may not be the answer, even if it gives you the right answer. Back to the lessons we did the other day. Remember, the pictures are different for the two. These two pictures look different, even if they give us the same answer. So let's go to our question. We have 6 by 4. So first, let's find our groups. Always with multiplication, we start with our groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 groups. Now I got to count my cherries, and we got to count very carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I would write it underneath so that you keep track. You don't want to forget where you are. So I can already say that there are 6 in each. Okay, so this is the same as saying 4 groups of 6 in each, or 4 6s. And to show 4 6s, I would do 1 6, 2 6, 3 6, oops, that's 3, 3 6, 4 6, and now I have my 4 6s, and then we're going to find what that equals. Okay, so if I don't know how to skip on by 6, which most of us don't, and that's totally okay, I can just continue on, and that's why it's good to write under here so I don't lose track. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So I found my answer, my cherries in all, my total, right? My in all. And I said that it is 24. I have 24 cherries total. If I did 6 times 4, that would be a different picture. I would have 6 groups of 4 in each. Okay, so be careful because that picture is not going to look the same as that picture. We have two more. So let's do this one. Multiply 7 by 3. Be careful. We always do our groups first. And our groups is 1, 2, 3. Los grupos son 3. Mira que este 3 está segundo, pero no quiere decir que esté. Pon cuidado. Esto no quiere decir que va a ir acá. Y eso está en tus practice problems. Ojalá no lo hagas así. Primero siempre son los grupos. Always are the groups. Now we need to count the inside, the carrots. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 in each, 7 each, 7 carrots in each. And so that means that I have 3 7s, which in my repeated addition is the same as 1, 2, 3 7s. Okay, so we're going to find what that is by keeping track and putting my number down here. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so look, 2 times 7 is 4. 1 times 7 is 7. 2 times 7 is 14. 3 times 7, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 would be my total. I have 21 carrots in all. So I'm going to write my total, which is my in all is 21. Okay. 7 times 3, 7 groups of 3 would look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with 3 in each. So remember that picture is different. Be careful because we're trying to focus on the pictures. First thing I need to ask myself on this one, it says how many plates are there? Let's go ahead and count the plates. 1, 2, 3. 3. How many muffins are on each plate? Each is our key word. Okay. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. How many muffins are there in all? In all is our total. If I do my skip counting, 2, 4, 6, I would find that 6 is the total. And I need to know, is this picture 3 times 2 or 2 times 3? Am I doing 3 groups of 2 or 2 groups of 3? So I want you to think about that for just a minute. Okay. So if I know that my each is 2, my second number should be 2. My each should be 2. Here, and my first number is always my groups. Well, my groups is the one that has everything's inside of it. So my plates are my groups. So my groups should be 3. Here, my groups are 2. This would not be the answer. It's going to be 3 times 2, 3 groups of 2, and that equals 6 muffins in all. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at your activities for today. You're going to go to Schoology. This was Monday. You are now in Tuesday. Okay, so today, Tuesday, you have a brain pop to watch. Okay, she's going to tell you a little something fun about multiplying by zeros and by ones. We'll talk about that when I get back. And you have your Tuesday practice problems that look very similar to your practice problems yesterday. Se van a ver muy parecidas a las de ayer. Acuérdate que tienes 2 oportunidades. You have 2 tries in order to get the best grade possible. You can use your blocks. You can use your web paint, paper, anything that helps you. Remember your repeated addition and your groups. So they look like this. Okay, very similar to what I just did with you today. Some things to remember. If you finish, you can go and keep working on your extra points for your test, or you can go to iReady. For science, science is going to be very similar every day. I have your instructions for the day. Tengo tus instrucciones del día en ciencias. Vas a ir al día de hoy, que es martes, y vas a ver que en las instrucciones del día te dice que vas a ir a EduSmart, después a STEMscopes y vas a, si terminas eso, puedes ir a las actividades extra. Te voy a mostrar el EduSmart. Edge Smart se ve así. ¿Dónde está? Está la personita brincando acá. Si no lo encuentras, vas acá y type Edge Smart y te va a aparecer acá. ¿Ok? Vas a ver que ahí tienes una actividad. Después vas a ir a STEM Scopes, que si no lo ves, puedes también hacer igual, buscarlo acá. Aquí se ve. STEM Scopes, hoy tienes una actividad un poco diferente y te voy a mostrar, porque no has hecho algo así, pero sé que te va a ir bien. Espérate que estoy en el mío, vas a ver que se ve así. Discopedia. Va a estar en inglés, pero yo sé que te va a ir bien. So, se va a ver así. Tú vas a leer esto, pero lo bueno es que puedes ponerle acá para que te lo
What did the
lean.
air outside feel like on your way to school today? Did you wear
¿Ok? Y vas a tener unas actividades, es muy divertido, es muy interactivo y me parece muy lindo, ¿ok? So, no te vas a demorar mucho. Si no lo acabas hoy, lo vas a acabar mañana. Mira que te va a decir acá que pongas las fotos con cómo se ve. Por ejemplo, windy, busca la foto y pones donde vaya. Ok, windy. Y las conectas. Sunny es así. Sí, se me fue. Pero sunny, vas a poner sunny así. Ok, windy así. Esa es a little clue for you. Ok, es divertido. Después de eso, vas a tener las opciones que te di de ver los brain pops y pebble ghosts que son muy interesantes. Tienen de tornados, tienen de huracanes, tienen de todo eso para ti, que ayer te los mostré. Y acuérdate de los passwords y usernames, te los tengo ahí para que los mires. Y también deben de estar en el pizarrón. Entonces acá están unos de ellos y pebble ghosts. Muchos Pebble Ghosts are. My tienes learn. Aquí están. Ok. So, ojalá les vaya bien. Acá está para responder las preguntas. Los quiero mucho. Acá están para los passwords. Ok. Que tengan muy buen día. Los quiero mucho. Espérate, yo cierro esto para poder decirles bye. Bye.